Hey there, fellow finance fans. John Oliver here, ready to dive into the wild world of cryptocurrency. Today's target? Sui Coin. It's a new player in the blockchain game and it's making some bold claims. Sui boasts faster transaction speeds and lower costs than some of the bigger names out there. How? It uses something called a directed acyclic graph or DAG. Sounds complicated, right? It is, but just think of it as a way to process transactions more efficiently. This tech makes Sui particularly appealing for applications that need to move fast, like gaming or supply chain management. But speed isn't Sui's only trick. It's also designed to be more user-friendly. We're talking simpler programming and a focus on security. It's like the blockchain equivalent of that friend who's always got the latest gadget and knows how to use it. Now, I'm not saying Sui is going to replace Bitcoin tomorrow, but it's definitely worth a closer look. So buckle up, because we're about to go on a deep dive into the future of Sui Coin. All right, let's gaze into our crystal ball, or should I say, our blockchain explorer. What does the future hold for Sui Coin? Well, some folks are predicting big things. First off, there's talk of widespread adoption. Imagine a world where you're using Sui to buy your morning coffee, pay your rent, and even vote in elections. Sounds crazy? Maybe not. As more businesses and even governments start to embrace blockchain, Sui could be well positioned to cash in. Then there are the partnerships. Rumors are swirling about Sui teaming up with major players in tech, finance, and beyond. These collaborations could be huge for Sui, giving it access to new markets and users. Think of it like when two celebrities have a baby. Everyone wants to see what that offspring can do. And let's not forget about technological advancements. The team behind Sui is constantly working on upgrades and new features. We could see even faster transactions, enhanced security, and innovative applications that we can't even imagine yet. It's like the Wild West of finance out here, folks. Now, let's talk about the market. Because let's face it, that's what everyone really wants to know about. Will this thing make me rich? Well, hold your horses, because predicting the crypto market is like trying to predict the weather in a hurricane. But here's what we do know. Institutional investors are starting to dip their toes into crypto. These big players, like hedge funds and pension funds, have deep pockets and could move the market. If they decide Sui is a good bet, we could see some serious price action. Then there's the rise of decentralized finance, or DeFi. This is all about creating financial systems that are open to everyone and controlled by no one. Sui's technology is a good fit for DeFi, and we could see it become a major player in this space. And let's not forget about NFTs, those digital collectibles that everyone's going crazy for. Sui's platform could be used to create, buy, and sell NFTs, potentially tapping into a lucrative market. Section 4. The Expert Panel. What they say about Sui. So, what are the experts saying about Sui? Well, as you might expect, opinions are mixed. Some analysts are bullish on Sui, predicting it could become a top 10 cryptocurrency within a few years. They point to its strong technology, growing community, and potential for real-world adoption. Others are more cautious, warning that Sui is still in its early stages and faces stiff competition from other blockchains. They argue that it's too early to tell if Sui will live up to the hype. Then there are those who sit firmly on the fence, offering a balanced perspective. They acknowledge Sui's potential, but also highlight the risks and uncertainties inherent in the crypto market. Section 5. Sui Investment Strategies. Don't bet the farm. Yet. Now I know what you're thinking. John, just tell me, should I buy this Sui coin or what? Well, I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't give you financial advice. But I can offer some general investment strategies. First and foremost, do your research. Don't just take my word for it, or anyone else's. Read up on Sui, understand its technology, and consider its potential risks and rewards. Knowledge is power, people. Second, diversify. Don't put all your eggs in one basket, especially in the volatile world of crypto. Spread your investments across different asset classes to mitigate your risk. Third, think about your time horizon. Are you in it for the long haul, or looking to make a quick buck. If you're a long-term investor, you can ride out the market's ups and downs. But if you're a short-term trader, you need to be prepared to sell quickly if things go south. And finally, manage your risk. Only invest what you can afford to lose. Crypto is a high-risk, high-reward game. Don't bet the farm on any one coin, no matter how promising it seems. Section 6. The Danger Zone. Risks and challenges for Sui. Okay, time for a reality check. Investing in Sui Coin isn't all sunshine and rainbows. There are some serious risks and challenges to consider. First up, market volatility. Crypto prices are notoriously volatile, and Sui is no exception. Its value can swing wildly in short periods, which can be exciting for thrill seekers, but terrifying for the faint of heart. Then there's the regulatory landscape, which is about as clear as mud. Governments around the world are still trying to figure out how to regulate crypto, and new laws could be introduced that could impact Sui's future. And let's not forget about competition. The blockchain space is getting crowded, with new projects popping up all the time. Sui faces stiff competition from established players and up-and-coming startups. Finally, there's community support. Crypto projects rely on a strong community of developers, investors, and users to succeed. Sui needs to continue building its community and fostering engagement to thrive in the long run. Section 7. Sui, to buy or not to buy? That is the question. So, there you have it, folks. The lowdown on Sui Coin. It's a promising project with the potential to revolutionize various industries. But it also faces its fair share of risks and challenges. The decision of whether or not to invest in Sui is ultimately up to you. Just remember to do your research, diversify your portfolio, manage your risk, and stay informed about market trends and regulatory developments. And who knows, maybe one day you'll be buying your morning coffee with Sui Coin. Or maybe you'll be kicking yourself for not investing when you had the chance. Only time will tell. But one thing's for sure, the world of crypto is never dull. That's all from me, John Oliver. Stay informed, stay cautious, and try not to lose all your money.